So on the last slide, we were looking at the patterns and we determined the pattern between the yogurt and the sandwiches were multiplying by 2. Because every time we added a number of item, the yogurt was going up by 3. So we're adding 3. And the sandwiches, we were adding 6 every time. So let's take a look here. Maria sells hot dogs for $5 each and pizzas for $10 each. Use the rules shown in the table to list the items of the two patterns. So for every one hot dog, it's $5. We're going to add $5. And when we add a pizza, we're going to add $10. So let's try to fill this out here. We have 0. Well, if we don't have anything, we know that we're obviously starting at 0 and 0. So now I'm going to go ahead and add 5, right? And then the next one would be 10 because I'm adding 5, and then 15. And then I would do 10, 20, 30, okay? So that's part A. Part B says, so when we say a rule, another word for that is terms. So the terms are adding 5 and adding 10. Terms that are in the same position in two related patterns are called corresponding terms. What are the corresponding terms for the cost of 3 items in the 2 patterns you wrote in the table? So I'm going to look right at this column here. That pattern that we were talking about before, what's the pattern for 15 and 30? Well, it's times 2, right? 15 times 2 is 30. So that's the, gotta sneeze. So that's the pattern or the corresponding term for number of items of 3, and then $15 for 3 hot dogs, and then $30 for 3 pizzas.